In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record invoice payments in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential task for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring that your business accounts are up to date. So, let's get started and make this process as smooth as possible. First, once you're inside QuickBooks Online, direct your attention to the left panel. What you're looking for is the tab labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to managing all things related to your sales transactions and revenue tracking. After you've clicked on Sales, your next destination is the Invoices tab. Select it, and you'll be greeted by a comprehensive list of all the invoices you've generated and sent out to your clients. Now, to record a payment for a specific invoice, find the invoice in the list for which you've received a payment. Once you've located it, there should be an option right there that says Receive Payment. This is your cue to click on it. By doing so, you'll initiate the process of recording the payment against that particular invoice. At this stage, you'll need to fill in some critical details about the payment. First, indicate the payment method. This could be anything from a bank transfer, credit card, or even a good old-fashioned check. Ensuring this is accurate will help you classify your transactions correctly in your accounts. Next, fill in the reference number. This could be a check number or a transaction ID, depending on the payment method. It serves as a useful point of reference if you need to verify the transaction later. Additionally, you'll be required to specify the account into which this payment has been deposited. This is a crucial step to ensure that your bank accounts and financial statements reflect the transaction accurately. Once you've double-checked all the information and made sure it's correct, the final step is to click Save and Close. This action will securely record your payment, updating both your sales records and the associated income account. And that's all there is to it. With these steps completed, you've successfully recorded the invoice payment in QuickBooks Online. This process helps keep your financial records precise and timely, contributing to a clearer picture of your business's financial health. Whether you're reconciling your accounts or assessing your financial statements, having accurate records like this is invaluable. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks to streamline your accounting tasks efficiently.